Hi, I'm Peter from Roadsafe. We're here today just outside of Healesville in a state forest. At Roadsafe, we develop and manufacture recovery points. Rob, the bar work on your 300 series looks sensational. It changes the appearance immensely.
The Y62, we've always used your recovery points. They actually come as a standard thing when you purchase any of our patrol bars. They always fit fantastic, and the whole reason I went the Roadsafe ones was I liked that they had more mounting points than any other one on the market.
All of our new developed toe points will have soft shackle attributes. We're very proud of how they bolt and how they fit and what they achieve. As a radiused internal edge and a radiused external edge so that doesn't get any sharper point contact for the soft shackle. Having these radiused edges reduces the focus of the force on the soft shackle, so all these things help longevity of your recovery equipment. Using the soft shackle, you can see how easy they are. That's done. It's that easy to put together. They're made from a 9,000 kilo breaking strain rope. You can get higher ones. I've never broken one of these things and not likely to. One of the little innovations that we have done is added this little string here, and what it does is when you pull that, it opens up the eyelet, so it makes it easier. So you can pull that string, feed your knot through, again locked in place.